Praise the Lord. My name is Komakech Joseph. I'm the chairperson of LCII of Patongo Council. At this juncture, allow me also recognize the presence of our area councillor 3 from wherever you are. Just stand up for recognition. Those are one of the councillors that we have at the town council. You are welcome. Our minister and your immediate family member, our team from UK, from HAT, our team from Kenya, PFP, the district leadership, the leadership of the chairman, LCII, and the team, the director, and all the school fraternity, ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome for tonight's functions. A lot of speakers have spoken. Mine will just be in summary. One, would like to appreciate our dear team from abroad that you are welcome to Akago district, particularly Patongo Council, where I'm a leader. To the mama who didn't make it, but she really yearned to be here, please send our message to her that we shall remember her in Patongo Council through giving her a road name. I will request through director that you apply so that we look at one of the streets around, we name in the name of Mego. And the same way, it also goes to our friend from Kenya, who is none other than Atieno. Also to remember her, we shall give her one of the roads, the streets. But the task that, there is one task that I'm going to leave you with as council. After giving you the road names, please, the light that will shine in darkness, there we shall also request for the street lights to be installed by you. Lastly, our dear director, you are who you are today, not because you are a strong man, but because you have mama who endeavored, struggled, did everything she could do to raise you up. And to me, I call you a hero, not because you started Paulina, not because you have a lot of mansions, but because you picked some few individuals from zero to where they are today. Therefore, there is a song that I'm organizing for those orphans who lost their parents and for you who benefited out of mama. So I just wanted to sample. It's still a demo, but when it is released, I'll give it to you officially. So allow me just briefly to mime for you. It's still a demo, but you like the song.